What if the at-fault driver is uninsured in your personal injury claim? Imagine you are in a car accident, and the other driver is at fault but has no insurance. This situation can feel overwhelming, but understanding your options can help you navigate it. The first thing to know is that personal injury law holds the responsible party liable for damages. This includes medical expenses, lost wages, pain and suffering, and property damage. However, when the at-fault driver is uninsured, you cannot rely on their insurance to cover these costs. So what can you do? One of the best options is to check if you have uninsured motorist coverage. This type of coverage is designed to protect you when the other driver lacks insurance. If you have it, you can file a claim with your own insurance company. This coverage can help pay for medical bills, lost income, and even pain and suffering up to the limits of your policy. Some states requiring insurance companies to offer this coverage, but it is not always mandatory to purchase it. If you do not have uninsured motorist coverage, you may consider filing a personal injury lawsuit against the uninsured driver. This means you would need to prove their fault and show the damages you suffered. If you win the lawsuit, the court may order the driver to pay you compensation. However, keep in mind that many uninsured drivers may not have the financial means to pay, making it difficult to collect any awarded damages. Another option is to use other insurance coverages you may have. If you have collision or comprehensive coverage, you might be able to file a claim to cover vehicle damage. Additionally, personal injury protection coverage, available in some states, can help pay for medical expenses and lost wages, regardless of who is at fault. It is important to consider the practical aspects of pursuing a lawsuit against an uninsured driver. Lawsuits can be costly and time-consuming, and there is no guarantee you will recover the full amount you seek. Before taking legal action, assess the at-fault driver's ability to pay. Consulting with a personal injury attorney can be very helpful. They can evaluate your options, assist with claims, and representing you in court if necessary. Lastly, remember that there are deadlines for filing claims or lawsuits, often around 2 years from the date of the accident. Taking prompt action is essential to protect your rights. In situations where the at-fault driver is uninsured, relying on your own uninsured motorist coverage is usually the best route. If that is not an option, suing the driver is possible but may not yield full compensation if they lack assets. Other insurance coverages can also help with certain damages. Understanding these options is key to navigating personal injury claims effectively.